Hi, my name is Simon Liu and I'm a residential realtor with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Williams Realty Van Central in Vancouver, BC. Today we're going to talk about cleaning a fireplace glass. As you can see behind me here, the glass is fogged up, it's kind of cloudy. This happens when gas is being burned, and the burning process causes sulfuric acid to stay on the glass. The glass is cool, the heat is warm, and it just condensates, and over time it turns cloudy like this. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be using a fireplace glass cleaner. What we should not use is Windex or soap and water or vinegar. That type of material will cause a different kind of chemical reaction with what's already on it and potentially damage the glass. Let's get started. So what we need to take this fireplace apart to get at the glass is simply a screwdriver, although I'm going to be using a drill. Once we get in there, we're going to want to keep our hands clean, so we've got some gloves, and of course we already talked about the cleaner, and then our paper towel one. That's all we need for this project. So now that we have the glass off of the fireplace, we're going to put it on a mat to protect the other side of the glass because we're not touching that side. What we're going to do now is take the cleaner. We're going to be generous and pour a bunch of juice on it, I guess. And then we're going to swirl it around and then we'll leave it for a couple minutes. And then we'll come back and wipe it off and it should be polished better. You're supposed to use a fine cloth. I don't have one, so I'm using paper towels. Okay, let's get started. So 2 minutes have passed now, and you can see it's hardened onto the glass. What now we're going to do is take another paper towel or a soft cloth if you have one, and we're just going to clean it off. We have the glass put back on. I've turned the fireplace on, and with the flames now I'm going to do is burn off the excess moisture that's in there, that's built up from coming off of the enclosed space. Whatever you've left behind will burn off, and it's not toxic. Apparently it's just a skin irritant. So if you get it on, you just wash it off. And that's our video. As you saw, it was quick, it was simple, and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.